So I've shown you how to make a post. Now one of the last parts is putting an image on it. So I've actually got an image for this one already created, but I'll show you how I make one later. So what I now want to do is make the image match the alt tags that the post has. So I'm going to close this out. I'll grab these. I'll go set featured image, grab this one, paste in here, set featured image. Now this is important for social media sharing, especially because it comes up like this on Facebook or on Google Plus or something, so you need to have a featured image on your post. And I'll show you, it comes up on my website too. Now the key is I have the SEO green. So to me this is what SEO is doing all of this stuff on the page. So I hit publish. Now let's show you what this looks like on my website. So I go view post. Now here I've got the video with the same image. I've got WordPress posting strategy, the title right here, and then I ask a question. And then I have the transcription from the first third of the video right here. So now I go back to my website and I'll show you in my recent post. This comes up in newest then. So you can see I did 4 of these a couple days ago. So now I have this new one. And this is a over 2,000 word post, so Google has a lot of content. Now all I have to do to share this, I go out here and I grab something. I grab a little bit I can copy and paste on it. So I grab this, I hit +1, I drop a comment straight in here above. I put the simple title right here. I don't have a huge following on Google Plus, but I've got a few hundred. But the only thing I care about is sharing this on Google Plus so that it gets indexed by Google right away. And now I can also quickly share this on Twitter. I just delete this because it's on my own Twitter account. I don't need to put @. And then I share it on LinkedIn real quick. And on the LinkedIn, I do the same thing. I paste this in here on this page, share it on LinkedIn, and then I can do the same thing on Facebook. But what I'll do on Facebook instead is post it straight to my page. So I've got a giant Facebook page here, and so I go put the text in. I put the text in here, copy the link, paste. Now this is mostly on Facebook. It doesn't matter as much for getting search traffic or anything, but it does help Google to know. Google can see how many Facebook likes a page has. At least Alexa can see it, so I'd figure Google could see it too. So here I hit post right here, and so now the page is live on Facebook, it's live on Google, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So that I've covered the basics. So now Google knows where this post is. Google can go ahead and index it, and I've got a good user experience set up. When a user comes here and searches, they're likely to click on this video and take a look at it. Even if they skip around, even if they only spend a minute watching it, it's still likely to give Google a good user experience, and that's what they care about, is the user experience. So that's step 1. That's the first step on getting one of these posts done, and that's from start to finish. And I guess I'd say the second step is doing post 2 and then the next post, but that's all the basics then. I've got this up, it's on my website, and now all I need to do is repeat it a few times. So I'm going to go through and repeat it again, and the difference is this time I'm going to go in the middle of the document starting here. It's important to make sure where you start from. So I start here and I go down, and what I want to do is stop at about the right point in the document, so I've got a few thousand more words here. And because it's 7,800 and the last one's 2,200, I probably want to get to about 5,000. So I want to see where's a good stopping point here. And what I want to do is find something, a good point to stop. So this is 2,600, last one's 2,200. So I can scroll down a bit more. Let's see, 20.